Hey, to celebrate my channel reaching 10,000 subscribers, I am going to do a little contest. So for this contest, all you have to do is create something, whatever you want, some sort of illustration based on one of my tutorials on this channel or using my new skull font. And you don't have to buy the skull font. You can actually get a download to the skull sampler if you want to use that. There's a link in the description below, and that's a free little download to get files of the skulls. But let's move on to the contest. So I'm going to pick my favorite 3 submissions, and then I'm going to send those people some stuff. We'll do like copy of one of my books, and then just a plethora of stickers. All kinds of stickers. I don't know if you know this, but doing a contest on YouTube is serious business. They take it very seriously, and you need to follow all the rules or you get thrown in YouTube jail. I don't know what happens, but things happen. I don't know, they'll shut down my channel. And I've worked pretty hard to get my channel to this point, so I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna grab my phone and we're gonna go step by step through the list, give you all the information you need to know about this contest. So the prize or the item, as I mentioned, I'm gonna send you a book, I'm gonna send you a bunch of stickers, and I'm also going to send you downloads to all the fonts I have on my website. I think there's like 3 of them. That would include the new skull one. So there's gonna be 3 winners. The starting date will be today that I'm posting this, 5/2/2023. The end date will be 5/31/2023. So through the duration of the month of May. To enter this contest, you need to do the following. Number 1, create something by following one of the tutorial Let's start over. Create something by following one of the tutorial videos on this channel or using my new skull font. You can download the free sampler below. Number 2, post it on Instagram and tag me at Chris Piasek, and also use the hashtag ChrisPiasek10K. If you don't have Instagram, you can also email me your artwork, and then you can email me through my website. The link is below, but it's chrispiasek.com. I will be choosing my 3 favorites based on my subjective feelings. I don't know if that's going to be good enough for YouTube, but listen, that's what we're doing. I'm picking them. On 6/1/2023, I will announce the winners via a community post on my channel, and then I will also share these selected pieces in a video following the announcement. I'll probably share some of the other ones too, but that's not part of the official rules. YouTube is not a sponsor of this contest, and by entering, you release YouTube from any liability related to this contest. I don't know what those liabilities could be. Basically, you're drawing a picture, and then you're sharing it with me. I'm not going to do anything with your artwork. I'm not going to steal your artwork. All I'm going to do is share it on my channel and say, look how great this is. But I'm not going to make anything with it. This is your artwork. All the copyright remains with you. It has nothing to do with me. You made it. It's your artwork. That's it. We got a privacy notice. Any personal data I collect for the contest will not be shared. Entries that don't comply with the YouTube community guidelines will be disqualified. You can read more about that in the community guidelines link that I will have in the description, along with a breakdown of all these rules for the contest. Listen, I think I covered everything. YouTube, if you're watching this, listen, I'm doing my best. I think I have a hair in my eye. I'm really excited to see what you all make. There's already been a bunch of cool stuff on Instagram that I've seen. People posting, saying that they followed along on one of my tutorials and they made something. So, that's what inspired me to do this contest. So if you're one of those people, you already have something ready to go. You can send it over to me. All right. Good talk. Thank you.